Hi, everybody. After much thought and consideration, I realized that I need to share with you guys what are going to be long term changes on my platforms. I will continue to talk about astrology and astrology transits and how to use them on a micro and macro level. I will continue to be focused on sharing astrology from a decolonized view and one that's focused on individual and collective liberation. This is also going to become a news channel. I am a global witness. It's part of my work as a spiritualist and for who particularly has my head in the religions. And so to honor what I am called to do as an individual and to make sure that this space grows in a way that honors me as an individual and my work as a defender of the collective and as a cosmic counselor, if you may, this page will also continue to have news about what is happening domestically and internationally. I will never shy from sharing the truth. I am a warrior spirit on many tables and in many paths. And I don't believe that astrology is just for your boyfriend or for your career, right? Astrology is for the stars, and the stars are for everybody. And so what is happening to any particular group anywhere is also happening to us. And I'm here to support the growth of that awareness. So if you're uncomfortable with that, you know how to hit the unfollow button. I have lost some followers, but I'm really proud to say for the most part, everybody who is here is down and 10 toes down about the business of personal and collective liberation. So shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much. I also want you to know that I see you. I see the work that you guys are doing. I see the reposts. I see the shares. I see the comments. And I see you standing up too. And I'm so proud to get to be an astrologer and a guide for people who love more than themselves and who stand up for the collective and who speak for those who can't speak for themselves. I love you guys so much. And so that's keeping it 100. I'm not a 10 toes tiptoe type of lady. I'm like 10 toes down in concrete. Okay. So let that land where it may. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you always. Bye.